Guys, what's up? Welcome to a new episode in Ointrala's Epistemology. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about acne and pimple patches. Now, I'm sure many of you have, while browsing the web, seen products that claim that they are patches that, when applied on acne or pimples, help in treating them overnight or making them disappear overnight. Now, today I'm going to tell you what I personally feel about it and what are the products I've tried, what is the mechanism behind these acne and pimple patches, and how do they work. So, without further ado, let's begin the video. So now, what are acne patches? So basically, this is an overnight acne or pimple treatment which, when applied, it is like a sticker. You apply it on the pimple or acne and you leave it overnight, and what happens is next day you see that your acne or pimples have reduced, vanished. Many products claim different actions. So today I'm just going to explain the entire process using the one acne or pimple patch that I have fallen in love with. This is the one by COSRX. This is like the sealed pouch which, when you open, you see another safety seal. When you open this safety seal and remove this, as you can see, they are three sizes. This is 7 millimeters, this is 10 millimeter, and this is 12 millimeter. So basically, based on the size of your acne or pimple, you can apply these stickers. Once you apply it, what you do is you leave it overnight. You can continue your other skincare routine on your face while the patch is on your face, don't worry. Next day morning when you wake up, you remove it and you see that the size of your acne or pimple have reduced. Yes, it reduces the size. So basically, it is speeding up the healing process. Now, how does it work? It is very simple. What these patches do is it actually sticks onto your acne or pimple. It has a few serums infused in it. So what happens is those serums help in reduction of the size. So next day when you open, you see that your acne or pimples have reduced in size. Now, what I love about this is, one, it is double sealed. So inside this, it stays so that the air is a little trapped. Again, it has a reusable pouch. So you put it inside the pouch and you close it, and you can use it again. So, this is very convenient. Secondly, it's not very expensive. I have not seen any side effects. COSRX, or rather Korean skincare, I don't see any side effects, so I don't see a side effect of this as well. You can use it as you please. You don't have to use it every single day, so that's another advantage of this. Please note that this does nothing to your blackheads. So if you are actually looking at blackheads and apply this on blackheads, your blackheads won't miraculously come out with the sticker. This helps to ensure that there's no secondary inflammation. So usually you've seen when one acne gets cured, by mistake, if we touch it, we see that it actually transfers, and hence, the side area of the affected area gets another bump. But this ensures that that doesn't happen, because it is actually confining the infection to one area. Overall, I feel that whoever came up with this idea is a lifesaver, because honestly, sometimes these shortcuts come in handy. Also, one point that I haven't mentioned is you will see a reduction in redness. So usually when you have inflammation, it is red. Next day you will see it turning brownish, blackish, and that is basically an indication that it is getting to a blemish. And after that, when you try all the spot treatment or with time, that blackness will go. That redness turning into brown, into black, will fade away. I hope you found this video useful. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get to know about it. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Flush Maquillage. Until next time, flashes, loads of love. Bye.